In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add team members to Hootsuite. Adding team members is a simple way to keep your social media work organized, especially when multiple people need access to the same accounts and workflows. In this tutorial, you will follow a short sequence of clicks. As you do, you should see each option highlighted or open in the menu area, so you can move along at a steady pace. To begin, open your Hootsuite dashboard. From there, locate the Settings area. In most views, it is usually found in the main navigation or in a menu near your profile options. When you are ready, click Settings. Taking this first step is important because it is the gateway to all account and team configuration options, including member access. Next, after the Settings panel opens, you will see different sections related to how your workspace is organized. Now click Social Accounts and Teams. This helps you reach the part of the settings where team structure and permissions are managed. As you click it, pay attention to the screen change, because you should be taken to a page that focuses specifically on teams and the social accounts connected to them. Once you are on the Social Accounts and Teams screen, look for an option labeled Members. Click Members to view the current list of team members. This step matters because it shows you who already has access and gives you the ability to invite or add new people to the workspace. You should also see a clear area where new members can be introduced. Now that you are viewing members, you are ready to add someone. Click Add a Member. Depending on your Hootsuite setup, this button may open a form or a side panel. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the member adding area before entering any details. If the page requests specific information, make sure you follow the prompts exactly as shown and ensure the information you enter is accurate. At this point, complete the setup in the way your screen instructs you to. In most cases, setup means providing the required member information, confirming the correct team or workspace, and selecting any relevant access or permissions that apply to that person. Follow each prompt in order, and keep an eye out for buttons such as Continue or Save, since those usually appear after you fill in the necessary fields. If you see options related to permissions, take a careful moment to understand what each choice controls, so you grant the right level of access. As you finish the setup, review the final summary screen or confirmation message if one appears. This is a good place to verify that the member will be added to the correct team environment and that there are no missing fields. When everything looks correct, confirm the addition using the on-screen confirmation option. After you complete the setup, the member should appear in your members list, and you may also see a status that indicates the member is ready or has been invited. Finally, once the new member is listed, take a quick glance back at the members page. This helps you confirm that the update took effect and that you can see the new team member in the workspace. If your interface shows any loading or syncing message, allow it a moment to finish so the list is fully updated. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add team members to Hootsuite. From opening settings to completing the member setup and confirming the change,